Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Street Trading here with our weekly recap video looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. So we're seeing the shift, guys. Clearly, obviously, we saw on the 9th, the market gapping up through previous all-time highs on that Pfizer BioNTech vaccine news, then slipped out, right? Fought back throughout the week. And then this week, well, actually last week, excuse me, you're having a little bit of a fight, but then that kind of fade once again right back below previous all-time highs. The market is holding it down, right? So there's a lot of uncertainty. All the increased lockdown chatter, obviously increased cases. All these things are detrimental to a rally, right? I mean, optimism is there, of course, but reality is another thing. Main Street is fucking hurting. So, it's tough. It's tough to, keep printing all-time highs when you have all these very heavy news catalysts kind of holding things down. That's what you're kind of seeing all last week's session. So it was an interesting week. There was plenty of opportunities, both sides, up and down. Obviously the EV stocks running, the healthcare stocks running. So, but you also on the other side, some guys were dumping some heavy positions. So there was great opportunities. We ended up having some very solid trades. Took some stops along the way, of course, getting hit. But you got to keep your losses small, guys. Keep your losses small. You can be a shitty fucking stock picker and make a very nice living with proper risk management. It's that simple. It's literally that simple, right? Understand how to manage risk. Stick to your rules. Don't give it a little extra room. If you're wrong, get out. If you are wrong, get out. When you're right, you're good to go. Stick with your rules. Pay yourself. Scale out. This is how you build your account, guys. All right? Literally, don't worry about being right on every trade because it's not going to happen. Manage your risk properly. Take that off the table. Rinse and repeat. So, guys, we had a great week last week. Our members had a great week last week. Let's get into the levels we ended up taking, the stops we ended up taking, and some of the things we ended up missing. But we're going to obviously some good lessons along the way as well. All right, guys, let's get into it.